The Guthrie family is one of the oldest in Angus, Scotland, and the origin of their name is not known. According to a fable, the lands known as Guthrie were named after a fisherman, who got 3 fish to serve to a hungry monarch. King William the Lion granted the lands of Guthrie to the Abbey of Arbroath in 1178, and the family subsequently purchased the lands. In 1299, the Laird of Guthrie was sent to France to invite Sir William Wallace to return to Scotland, and the embassy was successful. The family obtained the Barony of Guthrie by charter from David II, and Alexander Guthrie of Buthrie witnessed a charter by Alexander Seaton, the Lord of Gordon, to Lord Keith in August 1442. In 1461, Sir David Guthrie of Guthrie was appointed Lord Treasurer of Scotland and later became Lord Chief Justice of Scotland in 1473. He greatly increased the family estates and founded a collegiate church at Guthrie, the dedication of which was confirmed in a Papal Bull of 1479. His eldest son, Sir Alexander Guthrie, fell at Flodden in September 1513. The Guthries supported the Reformed religion in Scotland and signed a bond upholding the authority of the infant King James VI against that of his mother, Queen Mary, in 1567. At this time, the Lairds of Guthrie were feuding with their neighbours, the Gardines, and Alexander Guthrie was assassinated at Inverpeffer. The Guthries retaliated in like manner, ultimately being saved from the consequences of their action by a royal pardon granted in 1618. Alexander Guthrie was one of the 25 gentlemen pensioners and an early ceremonial bodyguard commanded to attend the King's Majesty at all times in his riding and passing to the fields. The estate passed through cousins until, in 1636, John Guthrie, Bishop of Moray, became the 11th chief. He retired to his own estates of Guthrie after surrendering Spinney Castle to forces under Colonel Munro in 1640. His third son, Andrew Guthrie, fought with the Great Montrose and was taken prisoner at the Battle of Philiphaugh. He was sentenced to death and beheaded by the Scottish guillotine, the Maiden, at St Andrews in January 1646. His daughter, Bethia, married her kinsman, Francis Guthrie of Gagey, and thus the title and estates remained in the Guthrie family. James Guthrie, a scion of the chiefly house, was a Covenanter minister who became one of the movement's early martyrs. He was stripped of his office for challenging the authority of the Church of Scotland's General Assembly and was executed in June 1661. The Guthries of Harkerton were another branch of this family, who held their barony by right of the office of Royal Falconers in Angus. John Douglas Guthrie of Guthrie served in the cavalry during the Egyptian campaign of 1882 and married Mary, daughter of Duncan Davidson of Tulloch. Lieutenant Colonel Ivan Guthrie of Guthrie, the last chief to live at Guthrie Castle, was born in 1886. He commanded the 4th Battalion of the Black Watch and was awarded the Military Cross. The present chief resides in England, and Guthrie Castle has been sold.